How to Be a Minimalist Podcast YouTube channel. Hello and welcome to the How to Be a Minimalist YouTube channel. If you haven't yet, check out the How to Be a Minimalist podcast. I have tons of tips. So this crazy storm just passed and we are at El Morro National Monument. I'm trying to get it in the background. There it is. You can actually hike all around up there. I think you have to stop about there. But it is so cool. I want to show you how I make my simple crunchy granola. I think the secret to making it crunchy is pulling it out every 7 to 10 minutes and stirring just like this. And then spreading it back out evenly. It's really important. And then pull it out when all of your pieces are that kind of golden color. Okay, it's done. Nice and crunchy and cooked and delicious. One note, if you want your craisins or raisins to be soft, then don't add them in during this part. I kind of like them to have that sort of freeze-dried texture, and it tastes really good when they're baked. So I put them in, but if you don't want to, reserve them for when you put the chocolate chips in. Besides the way this is amazing and lasts a long time, it actually fits perfectly into a quart-sized jar. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and give it a like, and have a wonderful minimalist day. Remember, it's all about the experiences, not the stuff.